Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a communication and collaboration platform developed by Microsoft, and it is a one of the Microsoft 365 service. Somebody think that it is like WhatsApp, Viber or Messenger, but it is quite different from that. Microsoft Teams has two parts. One is communication and other is collaboration. But WhatsApp, Viber, Messenger can only do the communication purpose. So that Microsoft Teams is more than WhatsApp, more than Viber, more than Messenger. So let's start. In communication part, you can find chatting option. It's like Messenger, it's like WhatsApp, it's like Viber. You just type a name or email address like okay, then type your desired message. Hi. And you can send uh, any message, any files through that option. You can modify your chatting message here. Just click on format. You can format your text like this is test text. You can format it by bold, italic, underline, and more. Also, you can highlight this text through this color, and you can change your font color and the size, small, medium, and large. You can differentiate by paragraph and heading to heading, and many more options. You can insert link, code snippet, insert horizontal rule, and insert table. This is the formatting of your message. The next option is delivery options. That means you can set your message in three types. The by default is standard, but you can set to important and urgent. You know, the important means the message is important, but not to do or but not to do now, but you have to do. You can set this message to urgent. Urgent means you have to do now. You can attach any type of files and from OneDrive and your computer. You can attach from OneDrive files, and you can attach from your computer's file from any of your hard disks. When you share any files, it will automatically store in your OneDrive, and the user you share the file, they will get the edit permission by default. So they can change your file, they can change your text, and it will automatically save to your OneDrive folder. This is the file sharing process in Microsoft Teams. Now it's emoji, and you all have used it. Okay, you can pick your desired emoji to send your expression to others. Now GIF, it's like Facebook Messenger that you can choose your GIF to another. It's a sticker. You can use this type of sticker to another to send to another. You can share your video to there, and all of the employee of this organization can view this video. Okay, and this is the interesting option like price. Is the courage, optimism, inclusive, awesome, thank you, achiever, problem solver. Just you can send this prize to your colleagues or subordinate or superior. Okay, here's three dot option. Click here. You can find some apps, news, plays, stocks, weather, Wikipedia, YouTube, and more, many more apps which is suitable to Microsoft Teams. Okay, this is the set option. This is one-to-one chatting option. But if you want to chat with a group like WhatsApp group, like Facebook group, then you have to create a group first. Now we'll create a group in Microsoft Teams. So let's see how to create a group in Microsoft Teams. This is an easy way. You see a icon like add people. Click here. Just type your desired name who want to get into that group, like test. I add test 4 to this group. Add. You see this group, Musharraf and test in create a group. But you can change this name. So how to change this group name? Just send a message, hi. Okay. Then you will find a pen icon and click here and type a name, test group 1. Then save. Group name will be changed. Test group 1. Then you can change this group name in several times as per your wish. And you can send the same message. You can send or share files, emoji, GIF. That's like one-to-one chatting. Also, you can call, audio call and video call to this group, and everyone in this group get the call at a time. Okay, so it's same as one-to-one calling system. You can call, audio call and video call, the group chatting and group call. Now we go to Microsoft Teams. What is Teams? And what is the difference between chat and Teams? Actually, chat and Teams it's similar, but difference is the Teams in Teams you can create different channel like IT team, and under the IT team you can create support channel, help desk channel, software implementation channel, and others. but you can't create this type of channel in chat option. But you can send message, send files, send emoji and others like I said. Okay, then calendar. It's like Outlook calendar. So you can create event, but it's basically used for meeting purpose. Here is two options: meet now and new meeting. Meet now is the meet now used for urgent meeting purpose. Like now you have to conduct a meeting. It's urgent meeting or it's an important meeting. You have to conduct now. Then you go to meet now option, click join, and then add your required participant. But normally we'll do the schedule meeting, like create a schedule before then you will start a meeting. So this is the option for schedule a new meeting. New meeting, click here. Just add a title here, your meeting title, test meeting, required attendee. You can add here your attendee as per your wish, and maximum you can add 250 user in one meeting. Then select your desired time and date here, and if your meeting needs repetition, then you can select as per your repetition, like daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or customs. If no need to repeat, then doesn't repeat. Add channel. If you want to add your channel, it's a team channel. I said before. So if you want to add, or if you want to conduct this meeting to a specific channel, then you can add them or leave this. At location, you can add here your location where you want to conduct this meeting, like your conference room or online. Then you have to put your meeting details, the purpose of meeting, the meeting agenda, and etc. Okay, then send this meeting. Go to calendar. Yeah. Find this meeting, test. Here you can edit your meeting, like if you change your time schedule, then you can change here. The participant will automatically get the notification of this update. Okay, and if you start the meeting, then click join. Here when you start join, then you see this screen. Here the video option and audio option. You can set this option as per your choice. You can put video off or on, or audio, that's mean microphone off or on. Then click join. When you click join, then the other member of this meeting will get a notification that you are starting a meeting, and they can join the meeting this time. Okay, if they join the meeting, then you can start your conversation. You can also chat here in this meeting group, and you can create meeting notes, whiteboards, you can share files during meeting, and you can see this here if you share any files. This is all about meeting. Now we'll go to calls. Here is a call option like speed dial. You can create a speed dial, contacts, you can add contacts, history. If someone called you or you called someone, then you can find here call logs. You can say voicemail if someone called you but you did not pick the phone. Then if they left a voicemail, then you will get this here. This is a file. If you share a file to others, then or others share any file to you, then you can find here the all shared files. Even though you can go to your OneDrive from here, and you can add your Dropbox storage in there if administrator allow. Now go to the three dots. It's app option. I already showed you. Okay, it's the all about Microsoft Teams. That's it. If you have any query, just leave a comment, and don't forget to like the video. Actually, I'm not good in English, so sorry for the bad English, but I'm trying. Thank you.